this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about dynamic lookup in Informatica Power Center. So this is the video lecture 68 of this Informatica class series, and let's see dynamic lookup scenario inside the Informatica. So suppose if a file has this number of record, and after sometimes the new record that's inserted there, this value. So here you can see 3, 4 DPT number, this all are new. But here you can see a new record that going to insert 2 cells placement. So here when you run the dynamic lookup, Informatica generate the cache. So this font there 2 cells birth, that font there are 2 cells placement. So what exactly happening there? So here when you run the dynamic lookup, so this will go for update, and there that's change the location here Perth to Brisbane. So new city or new location that's come there Brisbane. So Perth that terminated there. So let's see the example. So first here going to drag this source inside this mapping. So we need to create the mapping. So let's give here meaningful name m_update as insert dynamic. So with the help of dynamic lookup, that's going to do the update as insert. Now let's see the record inside there. So this come from escort. So let's give here the username and the password. So this record you can here get inside this. So this record is there. So after that the next is, so we need to take their lookup translation. And here you can see this is DPT TCT. So this is going to use there. And now let's, so here you can see this 3 columns inside there DPT TCT, and let's drag there, and thereafter we need to give the condition. So here automatically it's taken. If I go on this port, here you can see this is DPT TCT or lookup table is there, and this come from source qualifier. So here you can see data types, or this is same here, so that we can give for the condition. And now thereafter let's go on this properties. Here you can see dynamic lookup. So dynamic lookup, and here since we need to insert or update the record, so this selecting there. So insert the record if not found in the cache as do the update. So this things about the insert as update. So when you check this dynamic lookup, then automatically this enable. After that the next is, let's go on this port. So when you enable dynamic lookup, then you can see we need to do the associate of the port. So this DPT dname that's come from source. So source data that go, so this dname that source come from source that go to the lookup or dname, and this log record that's go inside there on this log record of this lookup. So this is the lookup column, and this is the source. Now let's click on this apply. Okay. So now you can see there this here, there is one more port that's come there, new lookup row. So when you use dynamic lookup, this come there. So it has 3 values, 0, 1, 2. So 0, that means don't do anything, simply pass the records. 1 is for insert and second for update. So let's go there, this SQL, and first here going to show the record inside this DPT TCT. So going to connect with the escort, and now let's use their select star from DPT underscore TCT. So this record inside there or DPT TCT. So now thereafter I'm going to truncate this. So I don't want any record inside there. So writing there truncate table or DPT underscore TCT. So table that's truncated, and there is nothing inside there. So no rows selected inside there. Okay. So initially that does not have any record, and after that let's take the lookup transformation. Sorry, router transformation. This you can see this is the lookup, and here let's take the router transformation. So with the help of this router transformation, we need to select these columns. So with the help of this router transformation, we can filter the record. So here, two group that's going to create, one for insert and next for update. So let's give here the condition on this insert. So when the value of new lookup row is equal to 1, so this will do the insert operation. And when the value of new lookup row that is equal to 2, so that will do the update operation. So this here, after that the next is, so let's make the little bigger. Now thereafter let's take the target dpt tgt, so it does not have any record, this is primary key. And now let's copy this and they are going to change the name. So let's give a meaningful name, dpt tct underscore update. Let's click on this apply and OK. So for insert operation, we don't need to do anything or there. So let's simply drag. For update, we need here update strategy transformation. So update strategy, and let's select this threes and now dragging inside there. So let's take their properties. This you need to make that update td update and now, so this will do here the update. After that, let's stabilize the link between these two. So save that. Now mapping that's done here for update as answered. Thereafter, let's go on this workflow manager. So workflow manager here going to take their session. This is the mapping that's selected. Let's give some properties inside there. For SQMP that come from escort, we need to select the escort, and DPTCT that's come from escort also, and this also escort. And there we need to for DD update. So this let's make there normal, and on checking this delete option. DPTCT let's make that normal. Lookup, we need to select here the source. Let's use the escort. Now this all done. Let's click on this apply. OK. Thereafter link task and stabilize the link. That this saved, and let's click on this start task. So this succeeded there, and now you can see. So total 6 record inside this source. So if I go on this source, 1 second, there is the source. Let's go there, and here you can see total 336 record. So this 6 record that's loaded into this tools. So let's check there. So this the same order this loaded into the stores, and this also here. So initially this will do the insert operation. So this, if record is not there, that is doing for insert operation. Now let's check there. So here you can see 6 record that's done here, loaded. Now thereafter, if I start the task once again, so here you can see this time there is nothing, no update, no insert operation is there. So the next is, let's here this is the DPT. So let's click on this retrieve, and here, so they're going to change or something. So let's give for this place the name Pune, and thereafter Okay, one update that's going to do there. So let's click on this, start debugging. So this here, you can see this is Pune is there. Okay, and now if I go on this source, let's go and check their preview data. Give here the password. Then you can see this source Pune that changed there. Now if I start the task, let's start the task here. So there I have done the update, so that here you can see one record that's updated into, and that's go for update or table. This here update. So one record that's updated, that's go for update table. Now if I run this or task once again, so this already updated. So that here you can see this updated, and there is no any, or thereafter it's showing the 0. So here you can see DBTTCT. Here you can see the record that's updated. Now the next is there I'm going to do some insert operation also, insert as well as update. So here for inserting, so let's give you this times or 10, 20, 30, 40, let's give you 70. 70, and here let's give display cells, and here giving the city bank. So thereafter let's do here commit, and now executing this query. So this is okay, 1 second, and now let's click on this start debugging. So here you can see 17 cells Bangalore that's added there. Let's change the city. Here giving the city Miami. So there I have done one insert and one update. So here you can see the city that's changed, and one insert and one update that's I have done in this table. So now let's go there on this session, and let's start the task. So you can see total 7 that's come there. One is for insert, one is for update. Now thereafter let's check the record. So here you can see there I have done the update. So here you can see one is insert 17 cells bank, and here that I have done the update on this city or location Miami.